I would like to thank all the participants, distinguished guests, and judges for their great support to make this program a success. By now, I can see that all of us are pretty much aware of the huge potential of the space data to contribute towards global socioeconomic development, thanks to the event like this and other activities from NASO. We also believe that it is not necessary to own and build space infrastructure by all the nations, given the limited orbital slots in space. For developing countries like ours, the basic challenges of basic education, healthcare services, and economic markets are still huge, and it may not justify the government or private investment in a large-scale space infrastructure. Even though we do have an equal right to access outer space, we also have the right, or even more so, the duty to make the outer space missions clean, efficient, as well as innovative and progressive for the benefit of planet Earth and humankind. This has also been reflected in the inspiring words from our distinguished guest, for example, our honorary ambassador to Vienna, who pointed out that the international cooperation facilitated by the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs to promote utilization of space data for global socio-economic development. In light of these 2 points, I would like to briefly highlight the vision set out by the Space Application Group at NASO by utilizing the space data, mostly from satellite communication, satellite navigation, and satellite Earth observations. Our primary goal is to encourage and facilitate research and education in the field of space science and education, with a current focus on the field of global navigation satellite systems and space weather. And so far, we are exploring the potential applications of GNSS, which is the Global Navigation Satellite Systems, which is available throughout the globe. And in the context of Nepal, it is very helpful to drive different socioeconomic activities. At the same time, we are also developing an operational system based on GNSS data to monitor the space weather and ionosphere. We are also currently setting up the roadmaps to include satellite communication and satellite Earth observation data in our space application group. The secondary goals, or more so about the spillover effects of our activities, are to promote the plethora of GNSS applications to industrial sectors, to enhance the capability of NASO for the generation of highly skilled manpower for the socioeconomic development of the country. To meet the aforementioned objectives, 5 types of activities are being carried out at NASO. The first one is the technological capability building or capacity building. Second one is enabling economic activity. Third one is inspiring technological applications and building scientific knowledge. The Space App Challenge is one of the pivotal events within these activities. We believe that the continuation of this event, along with other activities of NASO, will fuel innovation and economic activities in Nepal. I would like to thank you very much again to all the participants, distinguished guests, and the judges. Have a good day. Namaste.